You're in for a real treat with this delicious Tres Leches cake. Start by combining 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Once they're nicely whisked together, set the mixture aside and in a new bowl add 1¼ cups of sugar followed by 5 egg yolks. Beat with an electric mixer until the color has changed to a pale yellow and the mixture is very smooth, about 3 minutes. Pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then whip again until combined. Finally, in a third bowl, yes I know it's a lot of dishes, but I promise you it's worth it, whip 5 egg whites until soft peaks form. Sprinkle in 1 cup of sugar, then beat again until stiff peaks form. Now to bring the 3 components of the cake together, first pour the egg yolk and sugar mixture into the dry ingredients, then beat with an electric mixer until it has a slightly crumbly texture. Hydrate the mixture with ½ cup of milk and ¼ cup of melted butter. Beat again until the batter is smooth, and now it's time to add the whipped egg whites. It's really important that you gently fold the egg whites in, rather than beat them with an electric mixer. We want to keep as much of the air in the batter as possible. Once it's all combined, the batter should be light and smooth. Transfer to a greased 9x13 baking dish and gently shake to even out the top. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once the cake has baked and cooled, prepare your Tres Leches or 3 milks by mixing 1 cup of milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of Martin Picard's maple condensed milk in a large bowl. Whisk to combine, then set aside. Use a fork to poke lots of holes in the top of the cake. This will help to hydrate the cake when you then pour the milk mixture over top. The cake now needs to chill in the fridge for at least an hour to allow it to absorb the milk and become super moist. After the cake has chilled and most of the milk is absorbed, top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon for garnish. This was seriously one of the best cakes I've ever had. Subscribe to Dished for more dessert recipes.